Guys, I wanted to give you a closer look on this mini curling brush that I received from the company. I'm really excited that I got this. First, I just love how small it is, so it's super easy to travel with if you don't feel like taking like a big styling tool with you, which I typically don't. Sometimes I don't really bring much. So this is just like if you are gonna go out when you're away, you want to just like, freshen up a bit. This is really nice. Now it's made for, it says short to medium hair. I have pretty long hair, but I get like a ton of flyaways, and I also have these like curtain bangs that I like to style. So I was excited to get this because I feel like it will just make it really easy and not a big deal. And I love how small and portable it is. It comes with this glove. So if you, want to put that on just in case it gets too hot, and hair clips. So those are also really nice features. It also has like an automatic lock that goes off so that you won't like burn yourself. So, which is a nice safety feature. But if it happens, you just press and hold down the plus button for 2 seconds. And then it will go off. So it's hot. Like my hair feels hot as it's going through. I have really color treated hair, basically like bleached. So I don't like to do, a ton of high heat, but I do like to just like go in and smooth out my hair and just like give it a little something. So this is perfect. I mean, just so perfect for what I'm looking for. I think it's like really affordable. And again, it's just going to give, these like little pieces what I need them to do, and then also take away those flyaways that I have. So if you're looking for something really simple, small, compact, affordable to either throw in your bag, maybe in your office, definitely when you're traveling, and just something like that doesn't take up a ton of space, but adds like that curl. I love this. And the flyaways, like I didn't even comb my hair today, which is terrible, but I'm pretty low maintenance about this stuff. But it's, when you want to like make it a little nicer, it's good to have the right tools to do it that makes it easy. So there you go. Like I love how that looks. That's all I need. And then I won't even do the back, but as long as like the front looks like that, I feel happy. And I feel like I've just done something to my hair to kind of, style it up a little bit. I can add some volume, which is also, I'm just combing it right through. So it adds like that volume to it, which is great. So again, really happy with this. I would definitely pick it up if you're needing a new like hair tool that doesn't take up a ton of space, that's going to help like the flyaways or give your hair some volume. Really happy.